Hey gang, it's Ken from Flavor Lab, and I have a setup for a very nice panini sandwich. We've got some Italian bread, we've got some garlic here, we've got some unsalted butter, we have some Havarti cheese, but the Havarti has dill in it, and I think it makes a big difference. You also have some ranch dressing. This is half fat. If you're feeling dangerous, go for the full fat. Doesn't matter. We've got some tomato, we've got some pre-cooked chicken, and we've got some pre-cut bacon. We're going to put all this together. Best panini you've ever tasted in your life. And I'm going to make it on this grill that we have. This is a Cuisinart. I love this thing. I can make pancakes on it, which I've already done. And we can make paninis on it. But if you have no such grill, it's fine to just go ahead and make this on the stovetop in a frying pan. I'm going to start putting it together in a minute. Show you how all this stuff comes together. There are a few assembly techniques, if you will. And we'll go over that coming right up. Now, along with this ranch on here, what you want to do is you want to put the powdered garlic directly onto the ranch, okay? And I know that seems like a ton. It actually is not. I don't know what to say. This is the way that it needs to be made. That is not too much garlic for this, especially with that ranch. And it makes a difference. So you just spread this out. Hold on. But trust me, you want all that garlic on there. And, ooh, look at me, I'm making a mess. And it really does make a difference. Now, on top of this, I would just go ahead and put your bacon. And then we're going to go ahead and put our chicken on here. Chicken bacon ranch is one of the best combinations that man has ever imagined. And when you put the garlic in that ranch, God. And the little extras with the tomato, it's just unbelievable. Looks big, right? Don't worry, I'm making a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. I'm going to cut up that tomato off screen. And then after I do that, I'll come back and we'll show you how we put all this together. Okay, we've got those tomatoes sliced, and those are going to go on top of this half of the sandwich right here. A massive sandwich. Look at the height on this thing. Holy God. Okay, so now on the other side, because you want your cheese to melt, and Havarti, the one thing about Havarti is it's a relatively soft cheese. There are softer cheeses, but for melting purposes, this stuff is fantastic. Okay, and it's just such a mild cheese, and it works really well with this combination of ingredients. I'm going to need 2 hands to get this together. And you ask, Ken, how did you get that together on that massive sandwich? And the answer is very carefully. We got the butter going on the grill. We got the butter on top of the sandwich for the top half. We're going to get this going in a minute. Oh, man. And just so you know, I opened this up and I took this sandwich and I went from front to back and I flipped it that way because the lid, when it closes down, is at an angle. And there it is, all finished up. They got stuff squirting out here. It doesn't matter. Hey, it's not always about how it looks. It's just about how it tastes, right? And trust me, this combination of ingredients with the dill, Havarti, the bacon, the chicken, the ranch, and most importantly, the copious amounts of garlic that you put in that ranch is going to make this sandwich absolutely delicious. Hope you all enjoy. Try it. I'm telling you, it's the best panini sandwich you've ever had. This is Ken from Flavor Lab. Please like and subscribe. I'm out. Thanks, everybody.